I wish you could smell this. This cast iron brownie smells like chocolate from top to bottom. It's got a beautiful crust on it. It baked exactly how it would bake in an oven, except we did it on the grill. Oh my God. Hi guys, Hatem Matar here with another episode of Grill and Thrill powered by Weber, brought to you by Jumbo. Today we are making something super nice and sweet. Today we're making dessert on the Weber Lumen. As you guessed it, the Lumen is an electric grill. I know that sounds strange, but for the people that live in balconies that can't do live fire and need access still to that grilled flavor, the Lumen is very highly recommended. And inside, we're going to see how we can make brownie in a cast iron skillet. We've got cocoa powder, we've got milk chocolate, we've got dark chocolate at 70%, we've got brown sugar, we've got our eggs, and we've got our flour, and we've mixed all of that, and we've already made our brownie batter. We've got the Weber Lumen at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 170 degrees Celsius. That's perfect for baking. And we've actually got our cast iron heating in there. You want your cast iron nice and hot. As you saw, our temperature is the perfect temperature. Our cast iron is nice and hot. We're going to manage to carry this without making a big mess. So now it's in the cast iron that's gotten to temperature. We're gonna close that and let that bake for about 20 minutes, and then we'll check on it and see how it looks. I wish you could smell this. This cast iron brownie smells like chocolate from top to bottom. It's got a beautiful crust on it. It baked exactly how it would bake in an oven, except we did it on the grill. I'm gonna add a little bit of ice cream to this. It's melting right away. And we're gonna take a small bite. I'm not making this up for the camera. This might be one of the best brownies I've had in my life. Not because I made it, but kind of because I made it. Cast iron brownie, made in the Weber Lumen, powered by Weber, brought to you by Jumbo. I hope you enjoyed what we made.